So, very good
Madam,
morning.
good morning.
Yeah.
How are you, madam?
Shall we start with Guru Prarthana? Narayana Samarambham Sankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I want someone of you to sing Vasudeva Sutam Devam.
Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardevanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Madhye Jagadgurum.
Very good. Done. So how many of you, you all remember last session, right? So conscious, subconscious, and after that we have discussed about goal setting. Then we discussed about slokas. So do you all remember till which sloka we discussed last time?
35th, ma'am.
35th. Oh, so sweet.
35th.
Okay, great. So do you all remember it was connected to which aspect of the life, psychology, mind, or whatever it is? Which aspect we connected?
It was from Vishada Yoga, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, 35th sloka.
Yeah, so it was connected.
Basically, it was more of the sadness, Vishada Yoga, like the sadness part of life.
Yes, that is the overall sadness part of the chapter. So the sloka
Yes.
which we discussed of 35th sloka. So 34, 35, when we discussed about them, they were more interlinked with what? From 29, if you see. From 29 slokas which we discussed, Sidanti Mamagatrani.
He is basically telling that whatever you give me, I don't want. I only want, means I don't want anything if I have to kill my own people.
Exactly. So he wanted to just give up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then 29th and 30th symbolizes?
We need to surpass all criticisms or negativity which is coming. Basically, it is like we were discussing how we visualize the goal when we are in that environment. Arjuna was standing before everyone, and like his challenges was all those people before him.
Yeah.
And we synchronize with the goal, like how we will be achieving goal with that slok connected to the
29 and 30.
Physical, mostly how he is feeling physically.
Yes, so that is relevant to anxiety.
All the physical reactions.
So 29, because today we are moving from first to second, I want you all to be thorough with the slokas and they are connected to which aspect. So from 29th, all of them are connected with emotions. So 29th and 30 sloka go with anxiety. And if you see this 28th sloka, 28th sloka, he was just observing everyone. Then he melted down completely, overwhelmed with emotion. Then he started becoming, when the emotion attacked him, instantly he started becoming anxious. 29 and 30 becomes anxious. Then comes 31 sloka. 31. So what is this symbolizing? 31 and 32?
weakness.
Can't break up things, giving reasons.
So 31 sloka, because he is anxious, he is giving excuse. So So whenever I'm anxious of doing a new task, whenever I'm anxious of presenting something or going for an interview, always what I try to do, I try to give an excuse. Can I postpone us to tomorrow? Can I do it in the next hour? Can I give up on something? So excuses. So what is happening? The person is overcome this anxiousness, to cover his anxiety. He's coming with an excuse. So that is the 31st sloka.
Unnecessary excuses.
Done. So why you need to mark like this? So that whenever you go for any kind of training programs, or instantly when you need to talk about only a particular aspect, you can take help of this slokas. Now comes 32. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna na charajyam. So yeah, now this sloka speaks about
Depression. He is feeling depressed.
loss of interest first. Loss of interest. So yes, it is the initial stage of depression, like, completely going into depression state. The initial, the shades of depression, like, he's saying, I don't have interest on anything else. I don't want to do anything else. Because what happened, his first goal, he initiated his goal, but seeing he forgotten, he shifted his focus from his goal. The attention was on the challenges. He felt like they are so much attached to me. I can't fight with them. So he started feeling anxious. After anxious, he started giving excuses. Then the next level of excuses is saying, like, I don't have interest at all on anything else now.
Hopeless. I can say that hopeless, madam. Hopeless.
Yes. Not exactly hopeless, but he lack of interest on everything in the life. Like, if at all I say, you guys have to be very strict, wake up at 3 o'clock, do dieting, okay, do yoga for 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, read for this thing, don't go to movies, don't eat junk food. If at all I keep all these restrictions, what you will feel now? I don't want this life at all. What to do with this now? In the same way, Arjuna, he's finding an excuse and saying, I don't want anything else. I don't have any wishes. I don't want any victory. I don't want any kingdom. I don't want anything at all. If at all, I'm supposed to fight with them. So he have lost. So 32nd sloka symbolizes that. Now go to 33rd and 34th. Next level of, slowly the shades of depression are going more. So he's feeling like, if at all I do this task, what I'm going to get now? Yesha mardhe kangshitam no rajyam bhoga sukanicha. Right? From that sloka, 33rd and 34th, for whom I am doing all these things, if at all everyone die, for whom I am leading, for what I am living this life, if at all I don't get happiness of anything else. If at all I'm suppressing all my wishes, what is the use of this life? We feel the same way, right? Even kids feel the same way. Exactly. So now slowly the depression feeling is entering into his mind. Right. Now, before I proceed with further slokas, I have a case study for you all. You are all working on your goals, right? But in our life, the goal is not so simple. It's very complicated. Okay, the first point. And you all remember the power of mind, which we spoke earlier, conscious, subconscious, and everything. You remember the triangle? Beliefs, values, beliefs, thoughts, cognitive structural triangle. Do you all remember that?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I am going to give you a case study where you are going to interpret that in two different ways. One is connecting that to the Bhagavad Gita from till 35th sloka, from the first sloka. how Arjuna entered the battlefield, then how he got deviated. That is one interpretation that you're supposed to write. Then the second interpretation goes with that, like, the triangle which I said, like, what are the thoughts, what are the behavior, what is that belief system, what is the result. Okay, this part you are going to interpret. So now I am going to share you that case. Yes. Can someone read this case? Just for,
Can I do?
yeah, please, with pleasure. I want all
Yeah.
of you to be active.
Sheila has been married for 13 years and has two daughters aged 9,